Fine, so while I was talking, 1,000, 4,000 and 18,000 bucks. So guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to show you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know this, let's watch this video. So my friends, as always, I'm using several indicators, MACD, Fractal and CCI. Now I'm going to open the first buy position. I'm going to open it. As you see, price is going to break through the resistance level. It has already tested it once and now we have the second attempt of doing that. I am sure that finally we will break through it right now. So let's open this buy position, investing our $114. As you can see, we're using only short time period of just 1 minute and we're investing our whole deposit in each trade so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. So now we need just focus on the current trade, wait a little bit and get our money. By the way, my dear friends, please don't forget to press like button, to leave comments. I want to see your reaction. I want to see your comments, your thoughts about my trading, and this not only concerns my subscribers but also all the newcomers here. I want to see your comments, guys. I want to see your faces, your thoughts, your messages and my comments. Do this right now. Okay, so the first trade was profitable one. We have around 215 bucks. I have already changed my investment to $215. Now I'm going to find the next currency pair that we're going to trade today. Give me some time right now. So perfectly done. We're searching for the best entry point right now here. As you can see, price has touched the support line. And according to the MACD indicator, you can clearly see that we have buy signal. Green line is above the red one and green line is going to grow right now, so this significates that price will highly likely start growing right now. That's why we have opened buy position here, investing our 215 bucks. Now once again, let's just wait a little bit and get our profit from this trade. My friends, please also tell me whether you like trading or not. What are your thoughts about trading and why did you come here? What made you to watch this video, to look in my honest eyes and see how I'm trading? It's very interesting, honestly, because I understood that on my channel, my YouTube channel, I not only see real traders or people who really like trading, but also people who are just interested in this sphere and want to know more about that. Please tell me your story. How did you come here? Fine, so while I was talking, I got one more profitable deal. We have around 400 bucks in the account. Now let's check USD PKR currency pair. What can we find here? So as you can see, price now is going in the flat channel. We have the same repeatable movements and now price will highly likely start growing from the bottom of the current channel and it will highly likely reach the top of this channel. That's why we have opened buy position, investing 400 bucks and we are looking for the good growth. You know, guys, in Dubai yesterday it was too rainy and too hot. I'm so fucking sweaty right now. And I'm not only sweaty in my office, but I also wet when I come out of here because it's too rainy. My Bugatti was under the water yesterday and you know what? I lost around $500 million. $2 billion to be more exact. We have changed our investment to $784. Now I'm looking for the next entry point, which will be the most effective. which will be the most nice. So according to the current movements, MACD indicator is showing us a strong growth. Together with CCI, we have still some capacity for the growth. And yep, what's more, I think we will make the new high right now. According to the fractal, we still have some more space for the growth. Of course, this is very cool trade. We didn't have any other option except of buy positions. That's why we opened it. We have invested $784 here. We have the same time period of just 1 minute here. Okay guys, so this trade was profitable while we have around 1,500 bucks. Let's check USD INR currency pair. So guys, concerning this trade, what can I find? We have touched the support line zone, after which I expect the pullback reaction from it. According to the CCI, we have very good space for the growth, and yep, that's why I have opened this buy position investing 1,000 bucks. By the way guys, please don't forget to check the description to this video, because here you'll find amazing, cool and splendid link for my private TG, in which you will get access to a lot of cool materials, educational one, daily trading signals, daily analytics, and the most important thing is that if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel guys, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions. You will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each fucking day at the scheduled time. So don't waste this opportunity, don't waste your time, do this right now, it's absolutely free. Start trading with me and be fucking millionaire. So do this guys, don't be loser. Okay, so what do we have? We have around 2,400 bucks on the accounts. As you remember, we started just with 114 bucks and we have already turned them into $2,400. Now I'm looking the USD BDT chart. As you can see, price has reached a strong level of resistance, after which we're receiving the pullback reaction, and that's why we have opened 2 sell positions with 1,000 bucks investment each. So totally we have invested here $2,000 with the same short time period of just 1 minute. Okay, perfectly done, my friends. We have around $4,200 on the account. That's really good. Let's check NZDC currency pair. Okay, according to this trade, price now is going to break through the strong resistance level. I'm changing the time period to 30 seconds, expecting a very fast reaction, a very fast and impulse movement that will show us maybe a false breakthrough, but it will be anyway done and we will get our money from this moment. We have invested 4,000 bucks here. We did it. Now let's just wait. Price will anyway do this hit. It will anyway try to break through this level. Even if this just a false movement, we will anyway get our money from this impulse movement. Okay guys, we did it. Just look at this shit, around $8,000 on the account. That's really crazy, that's really nice. That's what I love in this business. This is what I love, because I can get easily around 8,000 bucks just having invested $100. I get 8,000 bucks in the account just within 10 minutes. That's so fucking crazy, my friends. Now let's check USD PKR currency pair. Okay, let's check the chart. What do we have here? So first of all, according to the MACD, according to the CCI and Fractal, everything is telling us that price will continue dropping here. We are currently in the very strong downgoing trend movement, and we have invested, my friend, 7,000 bucks in this trade, leaving just $800 on the account. Oh goodness, oh shit, $14,000 on the account. Oh my god. Okay, once again NZDC AD. Fine, so according to this trade, the MACD indicator together with Fractal are telling us about the possible drop right now. Let's try to open this trade. We have invested 4,000 and we still have 10,000 left on the account. This is our hedge asset. So this is the last trade for today. I just want to make some more cash, and that's why I just invest 4,000, 10,000 bucks on the account. And look at that shit, we have 18,000 bucks. I was right, my friends, we got the shit. Woo, that's so crazy, my friends. We have turned our 100 bucks investments into $18,000 just within 15 minutes, my friends. We did it. So if you want to have results like this, if you want to trade like a pro, just like Michael fucking trader, subscribe to my private TG, link in description to this video. Don't be losers, don't waste your life, don't waste your opportunities. Be with the best trader ever, be with me. So subscribe right now and be God blessed millionaire. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice and profitable day, and bye bye, bitches.